What's going on? I'm going to interview you. Indian girl.
Look.
You're flying out today.
Look, Kelly.
Flying out. Is all your clothes? Back. I'm going to interview mommy flying out soon. She want to go on the road now. Take your time, baby on board. When you ride, don't drop in no patois with my daughter. But not my daughter, but my brother's daughter still. Enjoy yourself. Bop. 1, 2, 3. You say you love me, right? Tell the world. You know you're gonna tell the world say you love me, right? Timo. Uncle Timo.
No,
Come.
sit down.
Don't sit down. Look, mama call her. Watch out. Go over there, son. Wave your hand. Wave your hand to Timo. You're going now. See, everybody's little girl here. You know what I'm saying? She's tired. She don't give me permission to take a picture, but me take a picture anyway because do whatever I want. And it goes so then. You're walking at Timmy shoes. You know, in Timberland boat and thing. Hey. I'm gonna miss you, right? Everybody love you in the year, right? I'm gonna miss you, right? But who will I drive? Still? You hear that? You ride on motorbike? But that you like? Walk up and go in the morning like, oh, you love it. Alright, warm. What me say? Don't die. Somebody I'm gonna tell you if I put pepper on your phone.
Me know me get me uncle, me get a here for a long time. I'm paying you. You can't bother with this. They just come man. You know, like you have to rush to go somewhere. Me like reach where me I go and sit down and relax myself. Me can't bother if you rush. At 10:30 now, I'm if you get to airport 11 o'clock. This is a foolishness.
You know it's a Jamaican style, but you don't know.
No, my style.
No, I know your style, moment. I real thing you're talking. Because I'm coming here already, you know.
You don't know what you have.
I show, man. Anyway, we're out and bad. Yeah, we're out and bad. We soon go on the road. The taxi man so forward. Yeah, man.